Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another scam exposure video. Guys, I'm playing one of the most pathetic apps I think I've ever seen in my life called Balls Merge. Everyone, Balls Merge has been around for a very long time, do not be mistaken. The app has over 1 million downloads. They keep changing the name of their app because so many exposure videos have been made on this app, okay? The problem is, everyone, this app has 2.5 rating at the moment, with literally 73,000 reviews, and most of them now are negative. Everyone's starting to catch on about how much of a scam this app is. Now, what this app is going to do, it will constantly spam you with get PayPal money. See how it says get here? Watch this. We're going to watch an ad just to humor it, okay? $66 it starts you off with. Now, we've seen this before with many ads we've covered on the channel. Not ads, apps. Lots of apps we've covered on the channel, okay? If you guys don't know, $66 is used by so many apps out there that scam people. They like to give you a huge amount of money, okay? Just to trick you. Just remember, this is a trick. You will not get any PayPal money from this app. I will be showing you real life player reviews on this video of this app, okay? I cannot stress it enough. This is without a doubt the biggest scam. Even worse than the Plinko apps, dude. This is the first app, one of the first, if not the first apps I covered on my channel 2 months ago exposing these scams, okay? This app needs to be banned. And the fact is, I don't know how Google allows these apps to still stay on the Play Store. I guess I say this every episode. I do know why, and that's because they get paid. Okay, Google gets paid obviously every time we see one of these ads. Not just the developer. Google takes a massive chunk out of the developer cut, if that makes sense. Okay, but besides the point, Google, dude. How do you go from earning $66 to $2? Does no one see the problem there? Does no one see the issue there? You watch that, that's going to keep getting lower and lower, by the way. But it's incredible to me how, does Google not have integrity anymore? Have they just given up? Like, they just accept any app on their site now? Is there any regulation anymore with the Play Store? Let's watch another ad here. I'm just going to humor it, okay? Yeah, this lady, I love this video, dude. This lady, I'm going to give $10,000 to a lucky winner. Yeah, man. Dude, imagine someone coming to your front door. You won 10K. Yeah, I won $10,000 for playing a dice app that's clearly a scam as well. I can't handle it. I just can't handle stupidity like this. I mean, what do you do, everyone? Like, what do you do when you have apps that are running rampant, tricking everyone? Look, now we've got $1.30 USD. As I said, this was one of the more earlier scams that was so bad at hiding that they were a scam, okay? This is the great thing about the Balls Merge app. Now, this app has had so many different names, guys. I can't even name them, dude. I think it was like 2048 Balls Merge or something as well. There's been a lot of names with this app. A lot. And all I know is that it needs to be dealt with. But what can we do? I mean, the reviews for the app speak for itself. Let's just watch another ad here. I'm just going to keep watching these ads, and I'm going to keep talking to you at the same time as well. Because I want you guys to experience what I'm just trying to mute the sound in this ad, and I can't. You just can't mute the sound, apparently. That's great. Thanks, Google. Anyway, I want you guys to experience what I'm going to experience here, because you're going to see diminishing returns each time we watch an ad. So we started off with $66 as a welcome bonus. $2, $1.30. Let's see what we get now. I'd be shocked if it's over $1. If it's over $1, I would be shocked, everyone. Let's see. I think it was $2.30. Wasn't it $1.80 or $1.30? I can't remember now. Who knows, everyone? The prices are just a complete joke. This is such a stupid app, man. How come I can't skip this? Lucky Woody Puzzle, another scam, by the way. Another huge scam. I've covered it 2 times on the channel already. Needs to be banned as well. Absolute joke. Absolute pathetic joke. How come I can't skip this? Dude, this is the longest ad ever. Is this like a minute of an ad? Holy hell, this feels like a long time. Let's close that. $1.20. There. It was over $1 by 20 cents. There you have it, everyone. That is just fantastic. That is just fantastic. Oh, boy, boy, boy. What do you do, guys? Just gonna keep playing here. Look, let's get another ad. It's gonna be $1.20 again.
Teaching you how you can earn $10 in PayPal money
Shut up, dude. I'm so sick of these actors, man. Guys, you don't understand the anger I have towards actors. I really don't know if they were... Do they even know they're being reused for these advertisements? Like, honestly, do they even understand that? It's crazy to me, dude. Honestly, it really is crazy to me. I mean, here we go, $1. I told you. I told you it was going to happen. There's the reduction, everyone. We all knew it was going to happen. Now we're on $71.50. You know, every single time now we want to get $1, we're going to have to literally watch an advertisement. So you can imagine, that's 29 ads we have to watch. If that's my maths correct, that's 29 ads. I kid you not. 29 ads, everyone. I'm not watching them. I refuse to. I refuse to watch those ads now. I can't. I can't, man. I'm not going to sit through literally that many ads. But I am curious to see how much I'm going to earn. I really want to see if it's going to give me more money or not. Yeah, every like 2 seconds it says congratulations. Congratulations. Alright, see how much money you're going to get. I just facepalm, man. I just can't handle it. I feel so bad for the people that get tricked by this app. Over 1 million downloads I'm fairly sure this app has because it just keeps changing its name over and over again. So you got to keep that in mind, everyone. Like what you're seeing now is an app that keeps changing its name. So please don't be fooled. But wow. Wow. You receive $544. That's $860 now. Wow. Yeah, I'm sure that's real. 93 cents. No. You can't scam people this bad and get away with it. I'm so happy people are drilling the app with ratings, everyone. You have no idea. 2.5 ratings with over like 77,000 reviews, I'm pretty sure it was. It was something ridiculous, bro. No, I don't want to watch another ad, man. Seriously.
Make $600 today in just 3 hours.
Dude, get off my screen, you absolute joke. Anyway, so we got an ad anyway. We got an ad no matter what. That's just fantastic. So you say no, you press the X, and it gives you an ad anyway. That's how you know it's a scam, everyone. And why can't I skip this ad? Hello, Google? Why can't I skip the ad? Don't know. Apparently it was a reward out of everyone. Apparently I got a reward out of that. Oh, there we go. I don't know, bro. Level 2. You can level up in this app? Level 2, get nothing. You get nothing for leveling up. Cool, bro. What's the point? What was the point of leveling up? If this gives me an ad, I'm done. Alright, it didn't give me an ad. Luckily. Luckily, dude. Anyway, so with $72 in, you get pretty much 60 cents per ad now. So, good luck to anyone playing this app. Show your might and do not get scammed. Just don't get scammed, bro. You can't. You just can't. Watch this give me an ad. If it gives me an ad, I'm done. Yep, done. Either way, stay safe out there, everyone. Love you all. See you in the next video tomorrow. See you later.